Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Gerard. Today's video I'm very excited about because I brought along one of my all-time favorite air guns, the mighty FX Impact M3. Today we're going to take this gun out for a little bit of hunting and we're going to do a general discussion about this gun. So stay tuned because this is going to be very interesting. Perfect. Perfect headshot. Oh, yes! Center of mass. Another starting down. The most satisfying sound ever. Now there's so many versions of the FX Impact out there. I mean, it's going to be difficult to choose a version for you if you're new in this game. So how are you going to choose? It's difficult because I can't really tell you what to choose, but I can tell you my experience. Because I can only shoot 22 caliber here in South Africa, I had to work with a 22 caliber all the time, and I have found over all these years that I can pretty much do anything in a 22 cal with a 700mm barrel. I mean, I can use this gun for pellet shooting, I can use this gun for big slug shooting, and I can use this gun pretty much for any kind of bench race, target shooting, what I want, even NRL or PRS and ELR, and that means you can pretty much do anything in this configuration as it stands. So if I can give you good advice today, look into a 700mm sniper version in 22 caliber. Oh, what a beautiful shot. Oh, down he goes. Feel sorry for the house sparrow today. Yep. That must be the most starlings that I've shot in one place so far. Oh, smacked him straight down. When you tune your FX Impact for the very first time, it's always very intimidating because you got all the adjustability on this gun. Now I'm going to give you two basic setups that you can use to tune this gun for pellets and for slugs. Now for pellet tuning, I'm going to give you this basic steps. First off, regulator, anything between 100 and 130 bar will do just fine. For the front valve, you want to leave it anything between 3 and 2.5 on those little stripes. And from there, what you do is you only use your quick tune system. Doesn't matter if you use your macro first or your micro first, you use it to get your desired speed of your pellet. Now pellet speeds, anything between 850 to 930 feet per second, always work with a decent pellet. Another one down. No chance. Straight down. Ooh, lovely, perfect shot. Oh, clock that one. For slugs, a little bit different. You want to have your final regulator pressure anything between 150 and 160 bar. I've found that higher reg pressures just work better with a slug setup because of harmonics. For the valve in the front, you want to keep it open, and that's anything from 4 lines and then maybe a little bit more. From there, you want to go to your quick tune system and basically turn it to your desired speeds. For slug shooting, I always vow anything between 900 and 1000 feet per second will do just fine. It's very simple. If you follow those 2 basic tuning setups, then you can't go wrong with this gun. Perfect shot placement. Straight down. Yes. That must have hurt. So worth it. Come around. Check that. Little bit of a chair movement here to make that shot. Straight out. Smack. Little house sparrow. The FX Impact has been built in such a way that you can swap out so many of the parts on this gun and make it your own. Now I'm going to run through some of my favorite accessories over all the years that I've learned to love, starting off with my top and bottom rails over here. These rails give you the ability to do a lot more on your gun. Say for instance you want to move your scope much more forward, you can do it if you have one of these rails. On the side there's little slots where you can add a lot of extra accessories on it as well. At the bottom on the Swiss rail you have the ability now to move your bipod from the front all the way to the back as well, making it a lot more comfortable. Also, extra feature of this bottom rail, it has a wide base which you can use on a sandbag for competition shooting like NRL and PRS. Looking at the grip, there is also AR-15 style grip on this gun, which means you can interchange the grip to any kind of style that you want. Moving to the back here, you can also add a different style cheek riser and a different style buttstock. And there's so many options out there for you guys to choose from. Lastly, in the front, you can do any kind of silencers that you want on this gun. If you look at mine, I've got the latest version of the Donny FL range on here, which I absolutely love. Super quiet, and it just works with the FX Impact like this. Got him. He's straight down. Oh, down he goes. Oh yes, 2 for 2. Come on, that never gets old. A little bit of a history lesson over here, something that I don't tell a lot of people, and I think it might be a good time to speak about it now. Did you know, when I saw this gun for the first time, it was on YouTube when FX released the Mark I. A couple of months down the line, a friend of mine bought one and brought it to South Africa, and I had my first chance to pull the trigger on this gun. Now, I can tell you this, I took 10 shots with that gun on that day on the shooting range, and my whole thoughts about the airgun changed. That afternoon I went back home, I took all my PCP airguns I had, and that was 4, and I sold them all. Plus I had to make a little bit of a loan on top of that just to go and buy myself one of the FX Impact guns. Now I know what you might be thinking now, and that is that I am crazy in my head to go sell all my PCP airguns and make a loan only to go buy one airgun. But that is a testament to how much I believed in this gun in the beginning, because I knew that this gun is going to change the world of airgunning forever. Smoking the starlings now. Oh, what a beaut! Oh, perfect! What a beauty! Well, the sun is setting low and it's time for us to go home. I want to thank all of you guys today for watching this video. I had a really good time out here making this content for you today. I hope you liked this too, and if you did, please go down there, go smash that like button for me. And for all the new guys, if you want to see more of this kind of content, please remember to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.